Hi guys, it's a new day, and as they finish off the block work, I've come to buy the wood for the pillars, which helps hold up the wall.
Let's go, come make me go. Whoa.
After buying the wood, we went on to Keofori to buy the iron rods. The iron rods, the wood and the cement, that's usually where your money will go. We're back at the site, and as you can see, they're still making steady progress with the block work.
Say we go last forever, in any kind of weather. The way you dance, they make me they go low. Say your moves, they make me go loco, eh. Go loco, aye. Say I don't mind what you do, you'll always be my boo. Yeah, yeah. Say I don't mind what they say, we can make it if we try. Yeah, 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 yeah. The way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it, baby. The way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it, baby. Come make me go, whoa. Come make me go, yeah. Come make me go, whoa. Come make me go. I'm ready now. Take my hands and come with me.
That would be the ceiling. Are you sure that looks like 2 blocks? If we could do 2 blocks, that would be good. How much is 1.5? 1.5 blocks.
See how resourceful Ghanaians are? Look at their perfectly made scaffolding.
Why you moving that body? It make me want to throw it, baby. The way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it.
And this is how much blocks are left. Look at the corridors ones, and then a small bit of the concrete ones.
Sorry, wa gba wọlé gba síbẹ̀. Oya baby kò mọ́lẹ̀. Sorry, wa gba wọlé gba síbẹ̀. Oya baby kò mọ́lẹ̀. Sorry, wa gba wọlé gba síbẹ̀. Oya baby kò mọ́lẹ̀. Sorry, wa gba wọlé gba síbẹ̀.
I had to buy another trip of stones. The stones that I had at the site are too big, they're 1/2 inch, so I had to buy another trick of 3/4 inch, and this is how much they've got left. As you can see, what they're doing to save on time and obviously money is they're working bit by bit and doing the pillars and the block work, and then moving on to another section and doing the pillars and the block work at the same time. So that's really good. This is what my days consist of, just hanging about at the site, watching them do their thing. So this mix is stones, cement and water. They mix this together and then they pour it into the wooden sections that they've made, and that is how they form the actual pillars that hold the block work together.
You see what I need, I'm ready now. Oh na na na.
It's more, isn't it?
But this one, later on, let me do something about it. Let me divert it.
Why?
Even though it should be here.
Of course.
So, you have to divert it later.
How did that happen?
They have a fitting that can divert it. We have 45 degree angle to divert it.
This has come out. Why has this come so like this?
This one.
Yeah, like why is it so thick?
For the pillar,
That will cause a problem when it comes to
the tiles,
no. When it comes to plastering.
they will chisel it. They will chisel, then they plaster.
Okay. But don't you think this looks small?
Yeah.
Small.
Take my hands and come with me, baby, baby.
The plumbing pipes, some of them have been broken in the process. Great.
Never let you go so far away. Oh yeah, come and chop my money, 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 chop money, chop my money, money, money. Oh yeah, come and be my honey, 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 my honey, my honey, 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 honey.
So they've finished with the pillars and the blockwork in this flat, and they've moved over to the other side. So this is a 3-bed, and they've moved over to do and finish the 2 beds on the other side. So once they've finished, I'll give you guys a mini tour. Until the next time, guys, bye. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks, guys.
Come make we go.